Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to add a Microsoft form to your guidebook using custom elements. So here I am in Content Hub, and I'm going to add this new custom element to the welcome category. So I go into the welcome category and the subcategory is already created. It's called guest rental agreement. I click to expand here. I already have a guest rental agreement topic created. That's using a Google form, but today I want to show you how to do this with a Microsoft form. So I'm going to create another guest rental agreement topic. So I click Add Topic, Your Own Topic, and I type in Guest Rental Agreement Form. And you can put as much text or information in the topic box here as you wish, but for now I'm just going to go straight into creating the custom element. I click Custom Element and I choose the Add New Element button. So the first thing to do is to choose the third-party service I want to add. We have lots to choose from, but as I said, I want this to be a Microsoft form. So I choose Microsoft form. Here, the element code name is chosen for me, but I'm going to adjust this so I know from my list of forms which one this is referring to, and this is guest agreement. Then I have to go to Microsoft form to grab the sharing link. So I'll jump in here and you can see that this is my guest rental agreement Microsoft form. You click the green collect responses button and here you just copy the sharing link. So copy link. Great, I jump back into TouchStay and I paste in the link. And lovely. And then the final thing here is the standard element height. This will adjust how tall or short the frame of the custom element embed is shown in your guide. I'm going to leave this as it is for now, but you can come back anytime and adjust this as you wish. So I'll click Save. Ooh. Let me see if that wants to save. Lovely, it's saved. I must have had the same element name. So don't use the same element names twice. Super. So now I click Insert and I can see that that's here. And so I want to add this to my Barcelona guide. And then I just click submit rather, and that's that. So let's go see what that looks like on the guest view. So I'll click Preview Guide, go into the Bienvenido a Barcelona guide. And this has opened up the guest view of my guide on desktop. So of course this would look different on a mobile phone. It would fit to size, but this is what we have for desktop. So I click Get Started. I can see in the Welcome category here, I have the Guest Agreement subcategory. I click in and here is my form. So directly from the guidebook, the guest can go through here, add in information, choose the date of arrival. Do you need car park access? Yes. And this is your form. You can do with it what you wish. It's very adaptable. I would fill in all of this information, and then as a guest, I would just click Submit. Amazing. And my response is sent. And that's it. It's a really nifty way of collecting any type of information from your guests or anyone who's using your guidebook.